Hi everyone, in this Clickfunnels 2.0 tutorial, I will show you how to easily add multiple order bumps to your order form in Clickfunnels 2.0 that can look like this. Offering multiple order bumps allows you to strategically upsell related products, boosting the average order value. Additionally, your customers can select the order bump product that appeals to them, rather than skipping the order bump altogether if they don't like a single option. Now, two things before we continue. First, if you don't have your Clickfunnels 2.0 account yet, you can find a link to a free extended trial in the description of this video. It's a 30-day trial instead of a regular 14-day trial. And if you use our link to start your Clickfunnels 2.0 trial, you will also receive our Clickfunnels 2.0 course as a bonus. And if you're already using Clickfunnels 2.0, in the description you will find the link to package deals that will help you save up to 44% on your Clickfunnels subscription. And second, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on our future content. Now let's get straight to it. Unlike in Clickfunnels Classic, adding multiple order bumps to your order form in Clickfunnels 2.0 is possible without any third-party tools. By the way, if you're looking for a way to add multiple order bumps to your order form built in Clickfunnels Classic, the video in the card up here will show you how to do it. To create an order form with multiple order bumps in Clickfunnels 2.0, we will need an order page. I already have one created here with a checkout element and multiple products. A main product and 2 or 3 order bump products. I will use my existing products. If you're not sure how to create a product in Clickfunnels 2.0, watch the tutorial by clicking on the card up here to see how it's done. Once the products are ready, go to the order form where you want to add multiple order bumps. You can add the products directly from here if you click on this icon and then select Add Products, or you can do it from the editor. I will open the editor. I already have a checkout element added to the page. If you haven't done it yet, just click Add Element, search for Checkout, and make sure that you select the checkout element and not the checkout legacy. In the settings of the checkout element, you can select different templates, adjust the look of your checkout element in the general styles and also in other sections of this element. But what we need to do here is to add products to this order form. First, we need to add the main product. For that, go to Product Select, click Edit Products, and click Add Product. Select the main product that you want to have on this order form. Then close this window, go back to the settings, and then we go to the Order Bumps section. Here you will be able to change the style and the look of the order bumps. And to add the products, we again click Edit Products, click Add Product, select your first order bump product, and then click on the product card and drag it to the order bump section. This way the product will be automatically transformed into the order bump product. After that, let's add the second order bump product. Again, click Add Product, select the product, and we again drag it to the order bump section. Once you have multiple order bump products added, scroll down and in this setting, select multiple products, either with checkbox or with quantity if you want to allow the users to select the quantity of the product. Click Update. If we now preview the page, we will see that we have the main product and also multiple order bump products. And the customers can either select one order bump product, and you can see that it's added to the order and also to the order summary, or both order bump products. Now you're not limited to 2 order bump products that you can use, you can also add more. If we now go back to the checkout element, open the settings, and again go to the order bumps section, we can add the third order bump product. This time I want to select a subscription product to show you that it's also possible to add subscription products to order bumps and how the price will be shown in the order summary. This is a subscription product with a free 14-day trial. We have this product added and now we again drag it to the order bump section. We can now preview our order form page again. And this time we have 3 products. As a customer, I can add all of them to my order. And in the order summary, I will see the payments that are due today. And I also see my recurring subscription that I will have to pay every month. That's all you need to do to add multiple order bumps to your order form in Clickfunnels 2.0. You see, the whole setup is quite straightforward. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on our future videos.